phonological awareness is an umbrella term that encompasses an awareness of larger and smaller sounds in speech. These individual sounds are called phonemes. Phonemic awareness, on the other hand, is a more specific term referring to the awareness of individual phonemes. So, for example, the word shark is made up of 3 different phonemes: sh, k, and being able to recognize these phonemes individually is phonemic awareness. To develop phonological and phonemic awareness, there are 5 stages. These are word awareness, responsiveness to rhyme and alliteration, syllable awareness, onset and rhyme manipulation, and phoneme awareness. First is word awareness, and it is able to decipher when words are spoken in speech, so knowing which sounds are words and tracking these words throughout a sentence. Next we have responsiveness to rhyme and alliteration in wordplay. Children should start to recognize rhyming words and alliteration upon hearing it, and even begin coming up with their own during this stage. Both rhyming and alliteration are familiarized to children in storybooks and nursery rhyme, and this is the primary way they develop this stage. Next we have is syllable awareness. A syllable is a unbroken sound of a spoken word. Syllable awareness, on the other hand, is being able to identify all syllables in a word. A child can do this by counting, tapping, blending, or segmenting a word into syllables. Next, we have onset and rhyme. The onset of a word is the first sound of that word, and the rhyme is the ending sound of that word. So children must be able to figure out what is the starting sound and what is the ending sound of a word. Children in this stage mostly find it easier to recognize 2 rhyming words than being able to produce 2 rhyming words. And the 5th stage is phoneme awareness, and this is identifying and matching sounds in words. So a child can segment a word into 2 or 3 different sounds and blend it together and say the word all as one. A child could also remove and add phonemes. For example, to say soak, you could ask a child to say smoke without the sound. Here is an example of teaching phonemic and phonological awareness to a child.
Now what is this?
A pen.
Yes, a pen. Now we'll say it slowly. Pen.
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 Alrighty, now we're going to count out the syllables. Ready? I'll go first. We're going to use our counters here. List of counters. And then we're going to count them out. Ready? I'll go first. I'll go pe, e, So I've got three sounds here. Pe, e, Now I want you to have a go. Alright, count out the syllables with the counters.
Pen.
Very good. Now say it all together.
Pen.
Well done.
Now in this example, we are assessing the child's phonological and phonemic awareness.
Now we're going to be doing some rhyming words. These could be cats and mats. Do you know what a rhyming word is? Can you give me an example?
Fun and mum.
Nice, very clever. Now we are going to be doing some rhyming words, okay? So I'm going to tell you 2 words, and you're just going to tell me if they rhyme or if they don't. Alright? So first up, we have book and cook.
Yes.
Brush and fun.
No.
School and pool.
Yes.
Ball and call.
No. They do, don't they?
Close, but it's alright. That's fine. Okay, so now moving on, we're going to be trying to identify the same starting sounds in words. Alright, so for example, if I say Sam and Sam, they both have the same starting sound of S. Alrighty. So now we're going to try hit and light.
No.
No. Tree and tap.
Yes.
And bath and bottle.
Yes.
No.